Hello everybody, just want to do a quick video to show everybody how to use one of these Keystone devices, which essentially extends your RJ45 without having to buy a hub or a switch what have you, to be able to extend it. So if you buy one of these little Keystone adapters, again the one I got right here, you can see I got a 20 pack. These are Cat 6, but they will work. If you zoom in here, if you look close, you see at the very top, you see the A there and the B. These are two different wiring standards. So the wiring standard I'm going to be going off is B. Just to explain it, you can see the numbers here, 1, 2, 6, and 3. On wiring standard B, you can see that the first cable will be white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue. Oop, number 6 here. Green. And then white, brown, brown. And obviously you see type A, you do the same concept if you want to do a type A standard. It'd be white, green. I'm going to focus in there, apologize. Focus in. You see standard A is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. But again, we're going with the type B standard. And all you're going to do is line up these colors accordingly. Zoom in here, just see it one more time. So ours will be the bottom row. That's what I'm going to be lining up here. So to line it up, go ahead and splice your cable that you're going to be using and straighten them all out. Kind of make an octopus, if you will. And start getting them in line of the color code you're going to be doing. So on this one, I'll be doing the white, orange, orange, and the green and the white, green. So I'll line it up that way. Orange, white, orange, green, white, green. Alright, so there's the order those will go in. Now on this side, it'll be white, blue, blue, white, brown, brown. Blue, white, brown, brown. Alright, now that those are separated, let's see if I can get this lined up. So you're essentially just sitting these cables in. You can push them in a little bit with your fingers. Sometimes I find it helpful if you have a little screwdriver. Just kind of push them in there to hold it in place. And you may find it a little challenging, and you need some to be a little nimble here. And again, they don't have to go all the way down, so green, then white, green. Alright, have that side in. And on this side, going to be white, blue, blue, white, brown, brown. So we'll start with the far end. The brown. Again, trying to hold these in place as well. And this is going to be solid blue. And then the white blue. Oh. Yeah. So, you kind of see here that I have them hanging over a little bit, which is fine. Next step, you go ahead and set this on there. And you can see the lines in here. That's what's going to crimp them down. So line them up. Press them down. Okay. Just want to make sure it's all the way down here. So you can notice here at the end, I don't have any cable. These little frail pieces, individual wires hanging out. Zoom in on that here. See these little pieces, you can trim these off. Doesn't seem to be clamping all the way down. Let's see. See how it just came off? That means it's not clamped all the way down. Sorry about that. Little pliers to pull down on a little bit. Not too much. Alright, so once you have that done, trim those up. But most importantly, you want to test functionality. So, all I'm doing, I'm going to use my cable tester I have. And obviously I can't plug that in there, right? So I'm going to take a manufacturer cable here, just a straight through. Plug it in. Then you go to the end of this cable here. Actually, let me do it the other way around so you can see better. Alright, so I plugged in the other side of the adapter to the end of the red cable here. I'm going to turn this on. See it going through, it's verifying that it's looping all the way through. Oh, did you see that? Looks like I don't have a good sync on cable 3. That's why it's skipping that. So sometimes that could just be you don't have this cinched down all the way, or the cable came loose or broke on the inside. But it's always good to test your cables. Let's see here. Cable 3 is my white green. This is the there. See, now it's passing. Here's cable 3, so notice it's going in the third, and the test is going from these 1, 2, 3 top down type deal. But again, I'm gonna make sure it's all the way down, which mine wasn't, and verify that the tests are passing. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, like, subscribe, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like to see sometime. Thanks so much.